All right, let's get into the first way you can make simple, easy, quick money. This is called rentacyberfriend.com. So if you come here, you're going to scroll to the bottom, and right here where it says Become a Cyber Friend, click on that, sign up, register. And basically what this is about is this is where people come to get counseling, and you can become a counselor. No certification needed, no degree, nothing. So I'm going to click on Find Cyber Friends just so we can get some examples and look and see what's going on here. So you make a profile and you list your services as a counselor in different areas. I'm going to pick somebody just at random. I haven't pre-checked this, so I don't know what I'm going to see. Olympia G. And we can see she's charging anywhere from $1 to $2 a minute. So $2 a minute, if you do the math, that's $120 an hour. And this isn't chicken feed. So you can see here, music, $1 per minute, friendship, $1 per minute, cooking, $2 a minute. So obviously you can set up different categories and charge different rates for different categories of your expertise or counseling or whatever you want to put out there. I'm going to pick this person just at random. Again, I haven't pre-selected this. We're just going to do a little exercise here. 30 to 40 cents a minute seems pretty cheap. Friendship, 30 cents a minute. Video games, 40 cents a minute. Okay, this is interesting. Let's go on. I'm going to pick this person. $90 to $5 per minute. $5 a minute. That's $300 an hour. So let's check and see what she's up to. Very simple profile here. And friendship, 90 cents. Music, 90 cents. Relationships, $1.50 a minute. Movies, $5 a minute for movies. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but interesting. You can do this. This is not rocket surgery. Now let's go on to the next platform. All right, here's the next platform, and it's similar, same type of thing, but this is Keen.com, Keen.com. And here they kind of lean towards psychic advisors. But you'll see here the top categories. They have 1 million categories. You can be an advisor in any of them or many of them. Psychic reading, love and relationships, tarot, psychic mediums, financial, life questions. If you want to be a life coach, there it is. Again, you do not have to be certified. You do not have to have a degree. So all you need to do is come here and register to become an advisor. So if we click on this, you will see the categories, and then you'll see some of these advisors, and we can see how they set up their profile, what they charge, etc. All right, let's scroll down here because I want to take a look and see what's going on. And I think we can find some interesting profiles. For example, okay, just at random, I'm looking at this, Miss Marla. She's done 21,672 readings. Now, as you can see here, they have a loss leader. They have like a lead magnet rate. So your first 5 minutes is $1, but thereafter it's $8.99 a minute. So do a little math. So let's say she's only gotten 3,330 feedbacks from 21,000 readings or calls, whatever, right? So you can see there's a big difference between the amount of sales and the amount of feedbacks. But if we go just on the basics, which is, let's say she only gets $1 for 5 minutes. Nobody stays on the line longer than that and starts paying $8.99 a minute. If it's just $1, oh, where did she go? Okay, it moved. If she only got $1, she still made $21,672 just by being on this platform. So this has great potential. Both of these platforms have potential to make you money. Now, you might be saying to yourself, well, I'm not a psychic, I'm not an advisor, I don't have any of these skills to be able to do this. Well, this is where I've got your back. I'm going to give you this absolutely free. This is an ebook that I created for you. This is going to get you up and running. It's called Passive Money Generators, and it's going to give you the insider tips, tricks, techniques, methodologies that will get you making money on those two platforms very quickly and easily. Again, it's 100% free, no strings attached. You won't even have to opt into an email list to get it. I will put the link to it below in the video description, and that link might look creepy, but it's a link to my A drive, which is a file sharing site. All you have to do is click it and download the ebook. It's that simple, it's that easy. Now let's get into the third and the most powerful way to make money online. This is what made me wealthy. Here we go, Booyakasha. I make money. Now when I say make money, let me show you exactly what I mean. Here we go. All right. What I'm showing you right now is my actual income. This is my Stripe account. You're looking behind the scenes. I don't like to show this to people, but I'm showing it to you now. This kind of money comes in every day, every week, every month, every year, and it has been for the past 10, 15 years or something like that. This is not a fly-by-night situation. This is a long-term business. So what I want you to do is go to thekinghumanelite.com, and when you get there, I want you to enter promo code SUPERDEAL10 in all caps. And that's going to get you access to my tutorials where you're going to learn exactly everything I do. You will be able to do this. This is not complicated. This is easy. Just take it step by step. It's not going to cost you a lot of money, and my training is not going to cost you a lot of money. You're going to get this very, very cheaply. This is really, really a special situation. Again, thekinghumanelite.com, enter promo code SUPERDEAL10, the number 10, 10, on checkout, and you will get a $10 discount, and that's going to make this so cheap for you, and you're going to get that discount for life. So there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it. It's entirely up to you. Maximum respect. All the best. Cheers.